Good morning children. Today let us learn a new chapter, that is chapter 3, large numbers. Today let us learn about large numbers. Okay. What are large numbers? The numbers which have more than 5 digits are called large numbers. For example, 56,728 is a large number because it is having 5 digits. And also 7,65,729 is a large number because it is having more than 5 numbers. Did you understand children? The numbers which has 5 or more than 5 digits are called large numbers. Today we are going to learn about large numbers. Large numbers can be represented in two methods. One is Indian place value system. Indian place value system. And the second one is international place value system. International place value system. So large numbers can be represented in Indian place value system and international place value system. Today we are going to learn how to represent numbers in Indian place value system. Okay children, large numbers can be represented in Indian place value system and international place value system. Today let us learn about Indian place value system. Okay, Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Okay. Today let us learn about Indian place value system. You all know that 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Okay children, you all know that 9,999 is the largest 5-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 1 lakh, which is the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number. Okay children, did you understand? 1 lakh. So 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 1 lakh, which is the smallest 6-digit number. Similarly, 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 10 lakhs. We'll get 10 lakhs, which is the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. Did you understand children? 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 10 lakhs, which is the smallest 7-digit number. Similarly, 99,99,999 is the largest 7-digit number, and on adding 1 to it we will get 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. Did you understand children? So 99 lakhs 99,999 is the largest is the largest 7-digit number, and on adding 1 to it, we will get 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. Okay. Similarly, nine crores 99 lakhs 99,999 is the largest 8-digit number, and on adding 1 to it, we will get 10 crores, which is the smallest 10 crores, which is the smallest 9-digit number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is the largest 8-digit number. So on adding 1 to it, we will get smallest 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 10 crores, and it is a 9-digit number. Okay, now let us represent 10 crores in place value chart. Okay. Now let us represent 10 crores in place value chart. For representing 10 crores in place value chart, we have to write the places. You all know the places of Indian system, which are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. You have learnt up to 10,000s place in your 4th class. The next place is lakhs place. After 10,000s place, the next place is lakhs place. And after lakhs place, we will get 10 lakhs place. After lakhs place, the next place is 10 lakhs place. And after 10 lakhs place, the next place is crores place. And the next place is 10 crores. So, first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Up to 10,000s, you have learnt in your 4th class. So, the next new place is lakhs. And after lakhs, the next place is 10 lakhs. And the next place after 10 lakhs is crores, and the next place after crores is 10 crores. Now let us represent this number in. Now let us represent the crore in 10 crores in face value chart. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the way of representing 10 crores in place value chart. Children, you should always remember that ones, tens, hundreds, this together is called as ones period. This is called as ones period. In ones period, we will be having ones, tens and hundreds. After ones period, the next one, that is the thousands period. After ones period, we will be getting the thousands period. After ones period, we will have the thousands period. In thousands period, we will be having 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, after 10,000 period, the next period is called lakhs period. The next period is called lakhs period. So in lakhs period, we will be having lakhs and 10 lakhs. After lakhs period, the next period is crores period. Crores period. In crores period, we will be having two places which are crores and 10 crores. Only in ones periods, we will be having three places. In all the other periods, we will be having only two places. Let's see. In ones period, we are having three places which are ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands period, we are having only two places which are thousands and 10,000s. In lakhs period also, we are having only two places which are lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crores period also, we are having only two places which are crores and 10 crores. Okay children, did you understand? Only in ones period we will be having three places. In the other periods we will be having only two places. Why we are making these periods? These periods will make us to read the number easily. Okay. why we are making these periods, because why we are making periods for numbers, because this will make us to read the number easily. Okay, we should always move from right side to left side in a place value chart. We always move from right to left in a place value chart. You also know that the place value of number increases from right side to left side as we move from right side to left side in place value chart. It increases by 10 times. You all know that place value increases from right side to left side. So we always move from right side to left side, and the place value increases how many times? It increases by 10 times. Tens place is greater than ones place by 10 times. Similarly, hundreds place is 10 times bigger than tens place. Thousands place is 10 times bigger than hundreds place. And 10,000 place is 10 times bigger than thousands place. Lakhs place is 10 times bigger than 10,000 place. And 10 lakhs place is 10 times bigger than lakhs place. And crores place is 10 times bigger than 10 lakhs place. And 10 crores place is 10 times bigger than crores place. So the place value increases 10 times as we move from right side to left side. So we should always move from right side to left side. So after that, the place value chart is made into periods so that we can easily read the numbers. In one period, we will be having 3 places. In thousands period, we will be having only 2 places. In lakhs period and crores period also, we will be having 2 places. We are making these periods because these periods will help us to read the number easily. Okay, now let us read one number. Now let us read one number. Okay, children? The number is, now let us try to read this number. So for reading the number, first you have to make it into periods. For making periods, you have to place the commas. You have first let us write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. For reading a number, first you have to write the places. After writing the places, you have to make this into periods. For making the numbers into periods, you have to place the commas. So you have to place the comma after hundreds place, after 10,000s place. Okay. Now how will you read this number? 45 is in which period? 45 is in lakhs period. 45 is in which period? 45 is in lakhs period. Similarly, 13 is in thousands period. Now how will we read this number? We will read it as 45 lakhs 13,628. So for reading the number, first we have to write the places. After writing the places, we have to place the commas according to the periods. I told you that in one period we will be having 3 digits and the remaining periods will be having 2 digits. So first you have to place a comma after 3 digits and the next you have to place comma after 2 digits. After placing the commas, you write the periods. By writing the periods, you can read this number easily. So first I have written the places. After that I have placed the commas according to the periods and I have written the periods on the top so that you can read the number easily. So this number is 45 lakhs 13,628. Now let us read one more number. Okay. So first I will be writing the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. After writing the spaces, I will put the commas according to the periods. You know that in one period there will be 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In one period we will be having 3 places which are ones, tens and hundreds. You have to place the comma from right side to left side. Okay. After one period you will be having thousands period and in thousands period you will be having 2 places. After thousands period you will be having the lakhs period. In lakhs period also you will be having 2 places. And in crores period also you will be having 2 places. After placing the commas, let us write down the periods. This is ones period and this is the thousands period. This is the lakhs period and this one is the crores period. Now how will we read this number? 26 crores, 41 lakhs, 26,750. Did you understand, children? Now let us do one more example. So let us read one more number. Okay. First, we have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. After writing the places, you have to place the commas according to the periods. In ones period, you will be having 3 places which are ones, tens and hundreds. Afterwards, you will be having 2 places in each period. So, after thousands period, I am placing a comma. After lakhs period, I am placing a comma. After placing the commas, I have to write the periods. This is ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period and this is crores period. Now how will I read this number? I will read it as 75 crores, 26 lakhs, 30,000 and 6. Because there are zeros in hundreds place and thousands in tens place, you should read it as 6. So 75 crores, 26 lakhs, 30,000 and 6. That is the way of reading the number. Okay, large number. You all know that expanded form means. You all know that expanded form means what? Writing the place value of each digit in a number. You all know that expanded form means writing the place value of each digit in a number. Now let us learn expanded form. Expanded form. Let us take an example. Once, for writing the expanded form, first we have to write the places. Okay. So, 4 is in which place? 4 is in 10 lakhs place. So, you have to place so its place value is 40 lakhs. 4 is in 10 lakhs place, so its place value is 40 lakhs. 5 is in lakhs place, so its place value is 5 lakhs. 5 is in lakhs place, so its place value is 5 lakhs. Next, 1 is in 10,000 place, so its place value is 10,000. 10,000. Similarly, 3 is in thousands place, so its place value is 3,000. 6 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 600. And 2 is in tens place, so its place value is 20. 8 is in ones place, so its place value is 8. So I have written the place value of each digit in a number, so it is the expanded form. You all know the expanded form in your 4th class. Yes. So I have written the expanded form of 45 lakhs 13,628. Okay. Okay, let us do the first sum in practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. Let us do the first sum. So I am reading the question. Write the following numbers in Indian place value system. Also write their expanded form. First you have to write the number in Indian place value system and then you have to write the expanded form. For writing in Indian place value system, let us write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So after writing the places, let us place the commas according to the periods. In ones period, we will be having 3 digits, 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, you will be having 2 places. And here in lakhs period, there is only one place. Okay. Now I have written this number in Indian place value system by simply placing the commas. Now let us write the expanded form of this number. 2 is in lakhs case, so its place value is 2 lakhs. 2 is in lakhs place, so its place value is 2 lakhs. 6 is in thousands place, 10,000 place, so its place value is 60,000. And 4 is in thousands place, so its place value is 4,000. Similarly, 1 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 100. 0 is in tens place, so its place value is 0. And 3 is in ones place, so its place value is 3. Did you understand, children? First, I have made it into Indian place value system by putting the commas. I have turned this number into Indian place value system number by placing the commas. Sorry, I have turned this number into Indian system by placing the commas, and afterwards I have written the expanded form. So first, for the next sum, what you have to do? You have to place the commas and turn the number into Indian place value system, and then you have to write the expanded form. Did you understand, children? So first, what I have done, I have written the places, and after writing the places, I have placed the commas according to the periods. Now this number is turned into Indian place value system. After turning the number into Indian place value system, I have written the expanded form. Children, I have done the first sum. You do the remaining sums, that is B, C, D on your own. They are in page number 34 textbook. Okay, to try to do those sums. Okay, for today's class, that's all. Okay, bye.